Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Invest in a vacation property that promises an exceptional lifestyle experience. In the prestigious community of Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay, this three-bedroom, three ensuite bathroom home features high ceilings, great light, and an open concept living space. All rooms are air conditioned and have fans for your comfort. The ensuite laundry is conveniently placed. The courtyard is centered by a pool in a landscaped garden for entertaining or just chilling. A detached one-room suite offers additional accommodation. The property is being sold with the adjacent Lot G and with appliances. The two lots are approximately 1 acre. The beach is just down the road and close to the renowned Runaway Bay Golf Club. Book your appointment to view this excellent investment opportunity today. Guys, let's take a look at this home and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this home is US 550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.